Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a Happy Mail from my friend Jana. So here's her card. I will read that off camera. Ooh, I'm liking what I'm seeing already. Oh, look at this pineapple. That is great. And these glittery die cuts that she's made for me with flamingos and little seahorse I can distinguish between there, a little mermaid. Oh, and some pretty bows. These are like all my favorite things. I was thinking about doing a mermaid swap or a flamingo theme swap. I've been really enjoying those sort of patterns right now. Fun in the sun, sparkle and shine. So she's made me some bows, which I love. These are beautiful. Oh, she's packaged me up some pretty pineapple ribbon. She's put some sparkle on this flower. That's so pretty. I love the colors and the tropical sort of summery feel. Oh, what is this? Oh, lip gloss. If I was a mermaid in my previous life, can't you tell? That is super cute. Oh, I really like that. Bubblegum scented. I'm going to have a hard time with not letting my girls steal that. Oh, I love this little wrapping. Everything's all so pretty and coordinated. I like this pattern of paper. I recognize this Echo Park collection kit. It's one of their newer mermaid ones. I don't have this one. I have an older mermaid one that I was thinking of putting a swap together for that. Okay, let's take this out before I open anything. Oh, I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of depths and a great fear of shallow living. That is, I love notebooks. That is really nice. I don't know what it is. I have always been, right from little, obsessed with paper and stickers and notebooks, and this is perfect. So these are super cute and very on theme for this package, and something that I was thinking I really need to get more of. We never have enough of. It seems like the kids are always stealing some. These cute little sparkles are all throughout the package here. What fun. So yes, I'm very thankful for those, Jana. That is great. Paradise Found. She's got a little bag topper here. I'm loving this paper. So cute, and what she has done with it. Wow, there's more. Oh, wow. Yay! Sequins. Yay, yay, yay. I love sequins, and she's gone and created me personalized sequin box with all of these perfectly coordinated sequins with purples and blues, and oh, this one has little stars in there. I love sequins, and I can never get enough where I am. This cute little mermaid on here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this. Here's our pocket letter. Wow. Look at this little shaker mermaid tail that's in here. There's two of them. This is great. Imagine that. And it's like you read my mind that I was thinking of doing a mermaid swap. I just ordered some mermaid things. Okay, I'm going to open this separately because I'm going to take a picture of everything all together. But this is my pocket letter. I'm loving this little guy. That's cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. A tag flip with the adorable little glitter shaker jar on there. Ooh, I see some cute stickers underneath there as well. Wow, there's so many things in this box. Oh, look. Yay, a mermaid die cut. Gemstones pineapple. Love that. That is so cute. I just ordered pineapple and mermaid things in my last 31 order. There's pineapple towels and mermaid bags, and flamingo bags, and I'm just obsessed with that pattern right now. These are cute. Celebrate. These are little keychain flamingos that actually would go perfectly as a charm just on one of the new flamingo bags that I've ordered. So they got all sorts of lovely shred in here with pretty sparkles. Oh, they're cute. Oh, perfect tropically themed napkins. And actually, I was looking at some people use napkins to create like a decoupage on letters, like for the envelope, and I was thinking about getting some fun napkins to try that with, so this would do the trick. So thank you for those. So this is a good idea. So she's got all of this shred mixed with these great big glittery pieces, and this fun shred has like no little tiny sequins that are troublesome to clean up, but it has all sorts of pretty little features all throughout, so that's great. So I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to open some things up. Okay, I had a chance to read her letter and take some photos, and the funny thing that she said was that the lip gloss could be given to my daughter, and it's funny because I love it. It is like so perfect and fitting and sparkly, and I knew as soon as I saw it, it's like, oh, one of the girls is going to want to steal that. But even though I would enjoy it as well. Okay, this is so cute. Look at this watermelon with the sparkles inside. I love that. Oh, the little washies fell out. Oh, look at these cute washies. Okay, let's flip it over before anything else falls out so we can just see what's inside here. Oh, I like this little girl that's hiding in there. Love that washi. Flamingo, little puffy sticker, and the glasses. Wild at heart. This girl is gorgeous. Matches very well with the die that she gave me. Look at those cute paper clips. Little sea creatures. Some little mermaid 3D stickers. Look at those flamingo stickers and the pineapples. Very pretty. And then the pineapple washi tape on the side is the same as that she's gifted me there. So looking at each pocket, there's some of that washi that she's gifted me, that she's put in behind this mermaid starfish. And then there's cute little puffy stickers. The best weekend. I love this. Never grow up. That's me. Like, I just feel like a big kid most days. And that is a super cute little octopus sticker. I really like that. I love this flamingo with the washi and the paper that she's got. All these colors together are really pretty. Good times. These leaves and these colors are really pretty. I was just looking, Erin Condren has a new petite planner that is in this sort of leaf pattern and colors. I was having a hard time not resist it. Now I've got a little piece of that sort of pattern and color to enjoy. Here's another gorgeous sticker. Just layered some washi underneath there with the little pop dot gems, and let's go with a pineapple. Sunshine pool time. I love these little iridescent heart puffy stickers that she's got there as well. And so she's the same as me. She likes to add a little puffy stickers and enamel dots everywhere. So, I don't want to take this out of the package. I want to enjoy it a little longer. But you can see pretty well all the different sequins in here. Really pretty mixes. So she's got some shells in 2 of them. And then some iridescent white and yellow. And then a nice white, orange, 2 purples, a gold, and then a mix of different colors in there. So that's great. Let's see what is in this little gift. Okay, so inside here, I could tell it was going to be a cute little tape dispenser, and I thought maybe it might be a flamingo. That is so fun. Perfectly matched with the theme. And you can never have enough tape. So that's really neat. So the tape goes up there, and the dispenser is there. Very, very cute. Okay, and this one, let's see if it's way to open this. I'll just cut the bottom here so I can see her tag flip that she's made. Oh, she's got one of these pink rings. I've seen people haul these from AliExpress hauls. Look at this gorgeous mermaid, like brass sort of piece. Looks like it has a patina on it. That's definitely like been manufactured that way. It's very, very pretty. It sits perfectly on that tag. Just gorgeous. I love that paper. Aw, I love this little delicate tag with the pineapple washi. So simple, but so pretty. Starfish wishes. A jellyfish. The kids had a kite festival, and the one flag they have is a jellyfish. Perhaps I can use this tag and some of these things when I create a layout. I love these little shaker stickers. Let's flamingo. Fun under the sun, sunny days, be happy. There's another one of those, like, really, it's almost like a pin. A really neat enamel type material there. Citrus Market, the travel life. That cute mermaid tag. Me and you, so fun. A flamingo. There are a million fish in the sea, but I am a mermaid. Life goals, summer sweet. I love these stickers. So thank you so much, Jana. This was such a beautiful surprise, perfectly themed with all the stuff that I am loving. Notebooks, sequins, mermaids, flamingos, and pineapples. And something that I actually totally needed, like you read my mind. I could use more of those. So I thank you so much for everyone for watching, and we will see you again next time. I will link my video of what I sent to Jana here if you wanted to check that out. See you again. Bye.